What if an ancient forbidden manuscript revealed the fabric of reality long before modern physics even had the tools to understand it? The Book of Enoch, once banned and hidden in forgotten libraries, speaks of heavenly portals, cosmic watchers, and realms beyond time. What was dismissed as myth now echoes through quantum experiments, as new discoveries suggest that space itself might be woven by entangled threads of information rather than particles. The idea of dimensions beyond our own is becoming a reality, not just speculation. Through rigorous experiments, data verified across global labs now supports these concepts. In 2017, physicists Juan Moldesina and Leonard Susskind proposed that wormholes and quantum entanglement might be the same thing. This idea, known as the ER=EPR conjecture, suggested that entangled particles are connected by hidden bridges in spacetime. By 2022, MIT scientists showed that entangled photons behaved as though they were connected by tiny tunnels in spacetime. Flip one, and the other flips instantly, no matter the distance. Looking back at Enoch, who described stars singing in harmony, doors opening into realms of light, and beings moving between worlds, could his portals actually be quantum bridges? Enoch's book, written around 300 BCE and attributed to Noah's great-grandfather, was revered by early Jewish sects but later banned. Could it have revealed forbidden knowledge about celestial beings, altered laws of time, and secrets that could change the course of human destiny? Enoch's journey through 7 heavens, each with its own laws of time and light, led him to a library guarded by angelic scribes. He described trees pulsating with the rhythm of creation. To a physicist, these sound like visions of higher dimensions, possibly glimpsed through a telescope of consciousness. Enter the Orcore theory by Roger Penrose and Stuart Hameroff, which suggests that consciousness arises from quantum processes in brain microstructures. Under deep meditation, people report experiencing altered time, light, and unity with the universe, experiences mirrored in Enoch's writings. In 2023, physicist Sandro Popesco led an experiment on time symmetry using electrons. The team observed particles that seemed to move backward in time, arriving at their destination before they left their source. This was not an error, it was repeatable data. Time, it seems, might not be linear, but non-linear. Perhaps it's a landscape, not a river. Could Enoch's visions of tablets that record events before they happen be describing retrocausality, where future states influence the present? This idea aligns with quantum theories that suggest the future can impact the present. Enoch also wrote of visiting the 7th heaven, where hundreds of years passed on Earth, but for him, it was just a moment. Could this be quantum time dilation, a mental state allowing consciousness to escape linear time? If true, Enoch might have been the first human to record this kind of travel. Then, in 2016, physicist James Gates found error-correcting codes embedded in the math of string theory, codes that match those used in digital networks. If these codes exist in the very fabric of reality, might our universe be computational, not mechanical? Reread Enoch, who describes heavenly scribes recording everything. Could they be system administrators, and the portals he speaks of be access points into the simulation's structure? Every physical law could be an algorithm, every quantum interaction a function call. Enoch may have seen the developer console of the cosmos. The tablets of heaven he described could be the source code governing stars, seasons, and fate. Fast forward to 2024, where scientists propose that space-time and matter emerge from quantum informational networks. Reality is no longer about particles or fields, it's about relationships between qubits. John Wheeler's famous phrase, "It from bit," echoes, reality arises from decisions, from yes/no choices. It's no longer poetic, it's foundational physics. Quantum theory also proposes that observation is not just passive, it creates reality. Some physicists now explore panpsychism, the idea that consciousness is woven into everything. Could this be the truth behind Enoch's vision of light worlds? Enoch once wrote, "All things were first shown to me as thought before they were formed." That's not just mysticism. It might be the very way the universe operates. Science is catching up to what Enoch saw, not through dogma but through data. The ancient text may have recorded the structure of the cosmos long before we built the tools to measure it.